guys, this is Eddie from Huddle Adventures. As promised, I am going to tell you guys our plan to vlog on the Panorama. Like most things in life, the best way to learn how to do something is to go out and screw up and make mistakes. And that's what we did on the Magic. We made some mistakes, and I say we, and it really was me. Number one, I was being too nervous and timid in the beginning, the first couple days, trying to vlog out in public. I just felt kind of awkward. I got over that, but it took like 2 days, and that was 2 days of a 4-day cruise. And if you're on a 4-day cruise and you're vlogging, you don't have no time to take off. You have to be really busy recording and taking pictures, and we didn't do that. So when it came time to put content together, I didn't have a lot to choose from and to work with. So that's the number one thing that I have learned, is I have to get as much video and pictures as possible to tell the best story, to share the best experience. So I'm over the timid thing, and I am dedicated and committed to taking more pictures and recording more video to give you guys a better experience. So I apologize for those of you that have watched our coverage of the Magic that might think it was kind of lacking, because I believe it is too, and it will be much better. What happened on the Magic is that, you know, in our defense, we had, what, 2 years and 4 months between our last cruise and the Magic. And it was our first time on a Carnival ship. So we're on the Carnival ship for the first time, experiencing Carnival for the first time, and we just got caught up in being on vacation and would forget that, hey, we should be doing some vlogging. Another thing that we learned, we thought we would like vlogging, and we were right. We really do like it. We like it a lot. And some of you guys might think, wow, that doesn't seem like a fun vacation to be vlogging, and you know, you can't relax. It actually has kind of an opposite effect, guys. It makes you more accountable to your vacation. What I mean by that is, it makes you want to do more, see more, experience more, so you have more to share with your viewers. So that is what we found about vlogging to be the coolest part about it, as it gives us more structured and more focus, a more structured focus approach to our cruises. For example, on the Panorama, we booked 2 cooking classes, 3 specialty dining nights, and 2 excursions. We would have done 3 excursions, but we knew the itinerary was going to get flopped around, and Cabo, instead of being basically a all-day stop, is now going to be, I think, 6:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. So we didn't want to book any excursions for Cabo, but we are going to get off the ship in Cabo and do some exploring and make the best of it so we can share Cabo with you guys. So with that said, you will see way more video. I picked up a GoPro Hero 9 camera, all the kinds of accessories. I have a gimbal camera. I have the iPhone Pro Max 10, which I'm recording on right now. And then I have a Canon EOS M50. I picked up a new 11 to 22 millimeter lens for that camera, which will make vlogging when we're talking into the camera much better, as far as the capturing 2 of us in the frame. The all-purpose lens that came with it is great for pictures and great for large, big shots, but when you try to get close, it just doesn't do as well. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Just so you know, I am coming from you in Laura's car today. I'm putting some miles on it. Laura's job became a work from home remote job due to COVID. So we had bought her this car when the plan was for her to return back to work. And so now this car sits in the driveway most of the time. It's a really nice car, and it's got 5,700 miles on it. It's a Ford Edge ST. It's nicer than my truck. So basically, we're just putting some miles on it this week. I'm just driving it. So with that said, guys, I will talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in. please, please, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the support. It helps us out a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.